Hi guys, this is a quick overview of what Getting Commission Project Masterclass is all about. So how do you get clients and projects? That question I get asked so many times. So I put together this masterclass, and I will tell you right now that it took me literally years and thousands of dollars to figure out how to create a consistent stream of clients and projects for myself. And I have tried and paid for so many different things like ad campaigns, boosts, listings, higher rankings. I've tried social media and everything there is to try, really. And there's one thing that has been consistently working for me for over 10 years. And it's been bringing me 70% of my clients and projects. And it's been unbelievable. You know, of all the things that I have tried, I've looked at everything, and it just has been one thing that is working super well. And the best thing about that is that it costs me nothing. And there's an easy way to set it up, and so it's an easy way to position yourself online to get found by clients easily. So I will show you exactly how to do it step by step with an example, so that you can have a continuous stream of clients and projects, making great money doing what you love and feeling awesome about it. So register now or become a member to get access to all masterclasses, best practices, artist interviews, and live Q&As. See you in class.